Within this short tutorial, I'm going to walk you through using Google Slides to create a presentation that will continuously play each slide for a selected amount of time. As you can see in this example behind here, is that this is a sight word presentation. This will go through each specific word for 3 seconds at a time. And if you click play, it will go directly through it, and then it will continuously play until you pause that specific show. So to create this type of slides presentation, you simply need to go to your Google Drive, click on New, go down to where it says Google Slides. Then you can choose a layout, and we'll go ahead for this one. We'll click Simple Dark, we'll click OK, and then we're going to give our presentation a name, especially if you have multiple ones that you're creating. We're going to call this Sight Words number 1 and click OK, and we're going to give it a name. And we'll go ahead and where it says subtitle, we'll add the number 1. And now we've created our first sight slide. So the next step is to click on the arrow here, and we're going to go to a blank slide. We're going to go ahead and add some text with a text box. We'll go ahead and drag a text box. We'll type in the word girl, and you can't see it, so we're going to highlight it. We're going to make it a size 125, and we're going to make it the color by clicking on the font color of white. Okay, now we've created our first sight word in there, and then to create further slides, all you simply do is right click on that slide, click a duplicate slide. And so I'm going to go ahead and duplicate up to 5 slides here, and then I'm going to go ahead and click in there and change the words. And we'll get some slides in here. Obviously, you can create as many as you want. And then we'll do one more here. Now we've created our slides presentation. Now we have to set up the automation. So to do this, simply go to File and go to where it says Publish to the Web. And then choose the amount of time that you want each slide to play for. We're going to go for 2 seconds here, and we want to start it as soon as we open it up, and we want to restart it from the beginning so it continuously plays. And then we click Publish. It's going to come up and say, are you sure you want to publish the selection? You're going to click OK. And now you have a URL that if you copy that, so if you highlight that and press Control C or Command C, and you open that up specifically in a new tab and paste that in there and press OK, now you have a slideshow that will play automatically as soon as you enter that URL. Now if you want to be able to bookmark that URL or save that URL, you can simply open up a Google document, click on New, go to Google Docs, and create a document called Sight Words Presentations. And you could call this one Sight Words number 1, and then paste in that URL directly underneath there. And now as you can create as many sight word presentations as you want, and you have a direct link to that specific presentation.